official launch, Her Excellency will proceed to give awards for wetland conservation efforts.
Obwabire ari omugenyi mukuru aha mukoro gw'okujaguza ekiro ky'ebisharara Her Excellency Jessica Alupo ayihanangiriza abanyayuganda okwetantara okushiisha ebisharara ihanga ribone kugumaho emyaka n'ebisiibo.
Konka mwamanya nti oba ebisharara kiringa muzeeyi amanya okoza yetereka amazzi gaffe amazzi gabeera omwo ate enkyukakyuka y'obudde etukute nnyo konka mulina byakulya mulina mwanyi enkuba yabula enzura yakabura.
Owekitiinisa Jessica Alupo nagira ngu omuntu tarikubaasa kubaho ahatari buhangwa atyo nikwo kuhiga abantu kubirinda nk'eriisho.
There are pressing issues here which the MP also added and also the LOC1 chairman. The one of the road, the one of the health center 4, the one of the ambulance, the one of the veterans of this area, all will be presented to His Excellency the President tomorrow in the cabinet meeting.
Omukoro ogu gwetabiremu abanyeshengero b'ekicweka eki kandi nabo biine bibagambire.
Your Excellency, as you see this area with a population of more than 50,000 people, we don't have health center for.
Ebisharara byitu nibyo langs zenshi zeso twabishisha bituba twashishira kimwe ebyo gonde n'amagara byitu.
Abatura bashira aha mukoro ogu nabo biine bibagambire.
Tukwatanisize hamwe omukurinda ebyobuhangwa ahabwe kuba ebyobuhangwa twatubirinzire nkimanyisa ngu climate yitu nekubera favorable kandi rubirizi turi abahirwa bwo buri kimwe tukine konka no kugira ngo mbwenu nihetaga kuterezibwamu hati nco nakugira ngo yeteka cyo kutekaho nka trust fund ninga endowment fund kurabira umbanya rubirizi na stakeholders tukarebuka ko kutwa mobilizinga esente ezo kubasa kureba ngo emirimo ya rubirizi yatambura mu misho entasiya y'abantu yayeyongera ubwo turi kurabira omutuwarizi.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Sheila Aine abwa Sky Television akenshonga mu Rubirizi.